Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the key steps to starting your business and actually making money. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video and the key steps to starting your business and actually making money. So first of all, you have to have an idea that you are passionate about, because that's what I talk about a lot on this channel about, is having something that you actually enjoy talking about, whether that's, making money online, which is what I talk about. Maybe it's cooking, repairing cars, baking. There's like a million different things. Maybe it's tech reviews, maybe it's just like, growing potatoes. I don't really even know what you're passionate about, but you have to have an idea that you're passionate about. And this doesn't only apply to online business, but it can be anything just as long as you're passionate about it. Some people are not making as much money, but they are really passionate and they love their life. And some people are making a ton of money, they hate what they're doing and they hate their lives as well. So don't go for something that just makes money, even though that's nice. Go for something that actually, yes, makes some money, but you're actually passionate about. So, if you're interested in like making money online and like things like that, I have a ton of videos about that, but I'm still going to go through the basics. And this is like making content, because if you're just going there to build a business and you don't have a plan, then you're going nowhere. So what I mean by a plan is, for example, I'm going to give you one plan that like is a good one. So you're going to create some YouTube videos, for example, because if you're building a business, you have to give value to other people. That's the best thing. If you go to a store to buy some food, they're giving you some food, which is value. So what you're going to do is create some value. So what value are you going to give them? So for example, it's making YouTube videos teaching people how to do X, Y, and Z. So that's the very first thing. Then you're going to take them through a sales funnel, because that's how you do things. No matter if it's an affiliate product or something else, you have to get them through a sales funnel. So if you're interested in building a funnel, I have a link in the description, which is a capture page, and you can do all your research on that. There's not too much research to do. You can just click on that link, you'll have a video that explains everything. So make them go through a sales funnel. So they enter the emails, now you have the email, which is, by the way, that is the lifeblood of your business. No matter what you're doing, always find a way to collect people's emails. And then you can take them through a sales video and then sell them an affiliate product. So that is a plan. You can have a completely different plan, but this is an idea of what you have to do. However, if you do a completely different plan, you have to actually do your research. If you don't do your research, you're just going to like land face first and not get anywhere. So doing your research is extremely important. No matter what business you're going in, like, do your research and find some people that are actually doing it, people that are actually making some money doing it, and learn from these people. If you don't learn from these people and you just go all in, chances are you will fail way more than other people. By the way, if you're building an online business, or any business for that matter, chances are at the beginning it will fail. So you just have to learn and go through it, because that is the way to do it. That is something that I really wanted to make, because so many people either do their research or don't take any action. So you actually have to do both. But I really felt that that was an important video to make. It was a little different from my other videos, but I really felt that it was important for you guys. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you smash the subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.